Okay guys, let me show you how to choose your right bearing color. Right, so on the block you've got upper bearing shells and on the crankshaft you've got PINMM. Let me focus. Okay. All of them up to here green, and that is yellow. You can see. The next one, .005 Plastigage, bought from BMW. Nice instruction how to use it. You can use them for main bearings and for the conrod bearings as well. Alright, once we torque the main cap bearings to 20 Newton meter, followed by the 100 degree, that's the result.